tomorrow. It is Father's Day. I'm really excited. How about we make a craft for Father's Day to give our fathers? And you know that on Mother's Day craft, I had got 100 subscribers, celebrating 100 subscribers. Today, I got more than 250 subscribers. So thanks for all your love and let us move on with the video. First, let me show you some magic. So let us move on to the magic. I made a cute portrait for my dad. Let's see how this works. It's getting colored. Maybe there's some ink, something. See the magic. Isn't it amazing? I'm sure you want to learn it. So subscribe, like and share. Now let us see how to learn it. I'm really excited to teach you. So have a look at all the material we need. All our basic things. And a transparent roll. We just need a small piece of it, so you can use any cover or anything that is transparent. So let's start. Now let's fold and take half of it. Okay, so we cut it in half. Now we only need one half. So we are going to fold this also in half. Let's grab our scale and draw equal border rectangle. And now cut this inner rectangle with scissors or either paper cutter. Okay, so we have cut it. Okay, that. We also need two white sheets. One is normal paper and the other one is thick drawing paper. So the drawing sheet paper we need smaller in width and higher in length. See? So that it can go inside. We will be using this drawing sheet to write our message or draw any drawing. Now let us move on to this one. So this is normal sheet. It should be folded over here. It is the exact height of this red one. See? Exact height in length and width. Now we have to stick it. Now we'll use the glue. We'll put glue on this inner edge also. Let's check if this sheet easily goes inside. This is perfect. Wow! Look, I already wrote my message. Now we need a plastic sheet of this size. So let's cut with our plastic roll. Now we will take a small rectangle of the same shade that we made to cover it up over here. The paper has to be stapled with the plastic sheet. So let's do it. So the card is almost ready. Let us color our drawing. See, our card is ready. It looks so beautiful. Now what we'll do is that we'll take our permanent marker or CD/DVD marker and trace all of this. Trace the outlines. So this part is ready. Now let's let it dry for 2 to 3 minutes. See, our card is ready. Empty, filled, empty, filled. It's so amazing. It looks like when we are pulling it outside, there's some ink machine or color is being filled. I got 2 awesome cards for my dad. I hope you make it too. I enjoyed this video. Did you? Then comment down below, share and subscribe. Like for sure. See you later guys. Bye.